Welcome to Best Choice. The best Polyglutamic Acid Serum is probably one of the most exciting skincare discoveries in recent years. This serum has taken the skincare world by storm, offering intense hydration and a range of skin-enhancing benefits. Today, we're diving deep into the world of polyglutamic acid, exploring its incredible properties and why it's becoming a must-have in so many skincare routines. Get ready to learn how this serum can transform your skin. Number 5. Glow Recipe Plump Face Cream. This is your new favorite daily facial moisturizer. It comes in a first-of-its-kind refillable jar. It gives each layer of skin intense, juicy hydration. This gel cream texture is quick-absorbing and non-greasy. It reveals a dewy complexion and youthful appearance. You'll love how it makes your skin feel. It contains polyglutamic acid, a clinically effective peptide moisturizer. This provides long-lasting moisture while visibly firming and reducing the look of wrinkles. It also supports the level of hyaluronic acid in the skin for optimal hydration. This hydrating face cream is formulated with 3 antioxidant-rich plums. The fruit-forward hero ingredient nourishes and rejuvenates dry skin. It's perfect for keeping your skin healthy. Apply a dime-sized amount as the last step in your skincare routine. Gently pat until fully absorbed. For an added boost of hydration, use it after applying our Plump Hyaluronic Serum. We strive to create an enjoyable self-care experience. All of our moisturizers are made without harmful ingredients. This hydrating face moisturizer is vegan and cruelty-free. What we like? This moisturizer offers intense, juicy hydration, making your skin look plump and youthful. It also visibly firms and reduces wrinkles, thanks to the polyglutamic acid. If you are looking for a daily moisturizer that provides deep hydration and a dewy complexion, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The serum is very hydrating. It has a nice texture and absorbs quickly. My skin feels plump and hydrated after using it. Number 4. Paula's Choice C5 Super Boost Moisturizer. Are you looking for a solution to brighten your complexion? This moisturizer is designed to target discoloration and uneven tone. It's perfect for daily use. This daily face lotion helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It contains powerful ingredients to keep your skin looking youthful. Use it consistently for best results. Dealing with acne-prone skin? This product is formulated to be gentle yet effective. It helps to soothe and hydrate your skin without causing breakouts. The formula includes 5% vitamin C and squalane. These ingredients work together to boost your skin's radiance and hydration. It's a great addition to your skincare routine. Concerned about sensitivities? This product is both fragrance-free and paraben-free. It's designed to be gentle on your skin while delivering powerful results. Try it today. What we like? This product is packed with vitamin C and squalane, targeting discoloration and uneven skin tone. It's also fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. If you have acne-prone skin and are looking to even out your skin tone, then you should consider this. What people say. Perfect moisturizer. Not greasy. Light. I use this daily and love this product. I found this moisturizer to be the best for lightweight hydration and improvement of my dark circles and acne spots. It also helps with sun exposure and pollution. Number 3. Solawave Cloud Cream Moisturizer. This moisturizer revitalizes your skin with enriching hydration. It rebuilds and fortifies your barrier to promote health and luminosity. Enjoy a dreamy dose of natural hydrators that soothe and correct. This gel cream absorbs quickly, leaving your skin velvety soft. Dewy moisture and a calming effect make it perfect for sensitive skin. The triple hyaluronic acid ensures optimal saturation for your face and neck. Gain confidence and soften the look of lines and wrinkles. Packed with collagen peptides, it promotes elasticity and bounce. Redefine your regimen with a smart solution free from oil, parabens, sulfates, or fragrances. It's crafted in Korea to produce visible results. The luxurious cloud-like texture is perfect for your morning or evening skincare routine. With its long-lasting hydration, there's no need to reapply throughout the day. What we like? This cream boosts your skin barrier and provides deep, multi-layer hydration. It also offers anti-aging benefits, helping to soften the look of lines and wrinkles. If you like a product that promotes both hydration and anti-aging, this is a great option. What people say. This stuff feels so good on your skin. It's light and refreshing. No smell. Super moisturizing. Mi dejo la cara suave y firme esta es la segunda crema que compro. La recomiendo. It keeps my skin nice and soft. No smell problem. Number 2. superSupple Prebiotic Face Moisturizer. This is the superSupple Prebiotic Face Moisturizer. It's designed to give your skin the care it deserves. This moisturizer is perfect for dry, sensitive, and mature skin. This formula strengthens thinning skin in just a few weeks. It balances your skin's microbiome for healthier, more resilient skin. You'll notice a difference in how your skin feels and looks. It features skin-identical ceramide NP to reinforce your natural barrier. It protects against environmental damage and moisture loss. This helps keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Formulated with polyglutamic acid and prebiotic saccharide isomerate, it provides 72-hour hydration. This leaves your skin soft and supple without feeling heavy. You can even mix it with your makeup for a radiant glow. It contains palmitoyl tripeptide 5, which helps boost collagen. This will reveal a more lifted appearance with refined pores. It helps diminish fine lines. It's fragrance-free and contains 0 irritants, making it perfect for sensitive skin. The lightweight formula won't clog pores, making it ideal for acne-prone skin as well. It's a great choice for those experiencing hormonal changes. What we like. This moisturizer supports your skin's microbiome and repairs your skin barrier. It also provides 72-hour hydration, leaving your skin soft and supple. If you are looking for a product that focuses on skin health and long-lasting hydration, you should consider this. What people say. This serum is a hydration powerhouse, and it works wonders for dry skin. It has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly. My skin feels incredibly soft and plump after using this serum. Number 1. Versed Moisture Maker Hyaluronic Serum. Are you tired of dry, flaky skin? This lightweight serum is designed to quench your skin's thirst. It provides instant hydration, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. This serum works immediately, hydrating your skin both on the surface and deep down. It's non-sticky and absorbs quickly, so you can get on with your day. You'll feel the difference instantly. The serum is packed with ingredients that boost your skin's natural defenses. It helps to strengthen your skin's barrier function, protecting it from environmental stressors. Use it day and night for best results. This serum contains polyglutamic acid, which is a super hydrator. It helps to plump up your skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines. It's suitable for all skin types. With snow mushroom extract, this serum soothes and smooths your skin. It calms any irritation and leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. It's a must-have for a healthy glow. This serum delivers real results with proven ingredients. It's a high-performance product that will leave your skin looking and feeling its best. You'll want to restock it again and again. What we like. This lightweight serum is designed to hydrate and plump your skin while boosting its barrier function. It contains polyglutamic acid, which is known for its superior hydrating properties. If you like a serum that provides instant hydration and helps improve your skin's overall health, then you should consider this. What people say. This serum has kept my skin moisturized, controlled flaking, and is not too heavy. I can wear it in the winter and summer without the need for additional moisturizers, which is important for sensitive skin. This seems to have plumped up my skin and made it smoother. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.